This next song is an older song. Like, lots of grown-ups seem to like it, so maybe you guys will like it too. It's by Creedence Revival, and it's called Have You Ever Seen the Rain?